So good day, ma'am, and I am the uh, group 11, chapter 12. So this my topic. It's all about variation in fiscal capacity. So fiscal capacity is a measure of the ability of a jurisdiction to finance government provided services. The fiscal capacities of local governing units are likely to vary with the values of local tax bases and with the ability to export taxes. So, meaning fiscal capacity is a simple way of seeing how much money a government can raise through taxes and revenues to pay for public services like schools, roads, and healthcare. Meaning, yung mga yakakolek ng gobyerno na maka-taxes is amuyaan yung gamito ng gobyerno para ipahimo ng mga projects like kalsada, tapos mga ayuda, panghatag sang mga tao. So, yan na mga kantidad is gikan yaan sa mga taxes. Kung sa isa ka country is madaig mga taxes nila na makolek, the higher isab na fiscal capacity, meaning the more na madaig isab mahimo nila because of that taxes. So, next is measures of fiscal capacity. So, among the commonly used measures of fiscal capacity for state and local governments are per capita income, per capita retail sales, and assessed valuation per capita or per pupil for school districts. So, these measures help understand how much money a government could raise, how much it is raising, and how well it's using its potential. So, for example, the high na country ang mataas na income level kay amo isab yung bagas, yung potential na bagas na tax yung makolect. So, next is revenue effort. So, is the ratio of tax collections from all sources in a taxing jurisdiction is a percentage of personal income in that jurisdiction to the national average of that ratio for all jurisdictions. So, revenue effort is a way to measure how well a government is doing at collecting